Good day and welcome to this ultimate Mavic Mini range test. We are here in like remote nature place. There are no suburban houses, no like towers around. This is just pure nature. And later we shall go to the city as well. Alright, so let's take off and let's see if the Central Europe version can do more than 500 meters, because I have gotten only 500 meters until now. So and I also haven't been to this sort of a remote location. So let's fly. The band frequency is in auto mode, so let's just see how well it does. Alright, 100 meters, looking fine. Is this still going? Okay, I saw some glitches, some more glitches. I think I need to calibrate my gimbal. It's a bit off. 250 meters. It's fine. 300 meters. Still quite okay, but it does glitch a bit. Okay, 380 meters. It's pretty good, pretty good. Remember, the furthest I have gotten has been 480 meters. So okay, we're past 500 meters. This is a new record for me. Let's see. But it does glitch a bit. The stream is not fluid. Okay, 590 meters, 600 meters. Very good, very good. It seems that the city of Riga is just so cluttered with interference that it can't do more than 500. 700 meters, amazing. And it seems that it starts to glitch a bit. Okay, 780 meters, 800 meters. Wow, it's quite impressive actually. Still going. Wow. All right, distance 900 meters now. Still going. Wow. Okay, this is quite crazy. This tiny beast is almost okay. 3, 2, 1, and 1 kilometer. 1,000 meters. Insane. This is pretty good. Okay, 1,100 meters. What? This is crazy. It's pretty good. 1,170 meters. Weak signal, adjust antenna. I wonder if I'll do it like this. Will it change? Oh wow! To all the people who say that antennas has to be at 90 degrees, when I switch them to this slightly tilted position, the signal is way better. 1,420 meters. I didn't actually expect this. 1,500 meters. Wow! This is crazy. It's so far away. 1,600 meters now. Insane. Alright, so I guess now we know the answer. The city of Riga is cluttered with interference, and it's just terrible to fly in. Okay, it's not terrible to fly in. You still can't fly 500 meters, but 1,800 meters? This is crazy good. Wow. I am very, very surprised. 1,900 meters now. Wow. Still going. Oh my god. So the advertised limit is, I guess, 2,020 meters. We are past the year 2020 now. 2050, oh my god, 2070. We are going so fast in time right now. 2,200 meters, still going. Wow, crazy. 2,300 meters. Central Europe version, everybody. Remember that. Wow. 2,400 meters. Insane. I'm just speechless right now. I've been like blabbering all the time, but it's just like 2,500 meters. Still kind of going. Although, yeah, the signal is now cutting away. 2,800 meters. Yep. Oh my god, 2,866. RC signal lost. No! No. Okay. We didn't get past 3,000 meters, but we did get till 2,866 meters. What? This is very surprising to me because the furthest I got before was 500 meters. Then this is just like insane. Now let's wait for a while till it comes back. Alright, so we all saw the results. 2,866 meters I got in nature. It was on 2.4 gigahertz because, well, finally we found a place where 2.4 gigahertz is fine. Around the city, in my country at least, the 2.4 is just so cluttered, and the furthest you can get in the city is about 500 meters. But we shall go and test it out again right now to see if something changes. So yeah, let's go to the city. Some time has passed and it has gotten a bit darker, but whatever. Let's just fly and let's see how far can we get with this tiny beast. Previously, the furthest I got was 480 meters from this exact spot in that direction. Let's fly. Let's record and let's fly. Alright. Moving at full speed. Let's see, 40 meters, looking fine. 80 meters, looking fine. 100 meters, still looking fine. Strong wind warning. Yes, it's quite a windy day today. 150 meters, still fine. 170, still fine. 200 meters, alright, it's good. It's very good for this tiny drone. And actually the signal is quite okay. It's stable. I don't see it glitching. 300 meters. Still going. Alright. Let's see if we can go past 480 meters with this drone. 400. Good. Closing in on that church. Quite quickly actually. Alright. 450. 460, 470, okay, this is looking promising. 480, yeah, we passed it. 500 meters, wow, this is a new record for me. Amazing. 530, 540, 550. Oh wow, 560. What's happening? How can I go this far? In previous tests, the furthest I got was like 500 meters, and this is 600 and... Okay, it's starting to lose the signal. Yeah, 630 meters is about as far as it gets. Okay, 640. Okay, I'm still kind of going 650. This is weird. Okay. And yeah, 650. That is as far as it goes. So, well, the signal is still kind of there, but it's very glitchy. And okay, 670. Still kind of going. 680. 690. What? 700 meters. This is actually incredible. It's quite interesting, but because with this exact drone, previously I got only 480 meters, and currently, yeah, it kind of stopped at 700. No, it's still going. What? Okay, 715 meters. It's okay. It's good enough for me for this city environment. Crazy, amazing. I really didn't expect this because I have done 3 range tests before, and all of the range tests in the city gave me only about 380, 480 meters. And in a suburban region, it was also just 500 meters. So me getting in this central area more than 700 meters is incredible. It really is incredible. Wow. I'm very surprised. Crazy! 715 meters with this tiny thing in a city environment. This equipment can fly quite far away if you have a clean 2.4 gigahertz like band. In Latvia, in Riga, the 2.4 gigahertz is like messed up. Even around Riga, in suburban regions, it's still messed up. So you can't really fly in it. In nature, the 2.4 gigahertz gave me like incredible results. 2,866 meters with this tiny drone. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. As well as 715 meters in the city was more than enough than I would ever need with this thing. That was fun. So if you like this video, please leave a like. You will buy my lots. And if you want to see more from me in future, please consider subscribing. And if you are subscribing, then click that bell thingy, because then you will be notified when I upload. And if you want to become my Patreon, the link is in the description and you can do that as well. And you will get the lot pack for free if you become my Patreon. So choose your destiny and see you in the next video.